Hi guys, I've been keeping this secret hole all day. Not my teeth in here and not my other teeth in here. So it's upset. I'm quitting the channel and not make any videos. I'm so tired of you for hating. Because you didn't believe me. You bully me and you said I'm copying Emma. So this is my alt account name Mia, but don't call me Mia. I'm just Emma. I'm just Emma, guys, not Emma. Not Mia or AD. Don't. So I just want to quit. I'm gonna quit this channel for long ago, and I'm going to do videos on my real phone. This is not my real phone. This is my mom's phone. So don't hate me in my own phone, okay? Because I'm gonna attack.
Inamin mo sa'yo lahat yun. Oh, di ba? Record show, hear me out. Tinatanong ko sa'yo, yung bang siyang na korporasyon